All right, guys, thanks for coming back. We are making progress here on the homestead and getting this place in shape for wintertime. And one of the issues we have are our stairs are all falling apart. Welcome to Hidden Valley Homestead, where my wife Olivia and I escaped the city to homestead our off-grid property in Idaho. This is our journey. All right, guys, here's the stairs that lead to the back of the house, and the front ones are falling apart as well. But I'm going to start with these, and let me show you what they are made of. So you can see that they were made out of logs right here, and then they notched the logs and put the stairs in. But each of the stair treads are only about 3 inches tall. So, yeah, walking up and down these steps is kind of a pain. It's too short to take one step, and it's too far to take two. So we end up making big strides. Anyway, gotta make the wood is starting to get really soft right here. The stair treads are actually in pretty good shape, but the wood is it's done. So I'm going to be putting stairs right here, and I'm gonna make them out of logs. So I have a whole pile of nicely cured logs right here, and at some point I'm gonna have to peel off the bark off these things. But I'm gonna start off with this nice 10-inch log right here. I need two 6-foot pieces, and this is a 14-foot log, so I'm going to cut this sucker in half. Check out this link in this page that I found, and that is a stair calculator that you can find online. And it asks you how high of a step or how high the platform is that you need to make stairs to, and then it gives you all the dimensions. Easy peasy. So 34 degrees is going to be my bottom degree, which makes my top degree about 55 degrees. So let's lay this sucker out. All right, guys, I'm using a square. I'm having to work from the top down. I'm looking straight down at this and kind of eyeballing this. It's really hard to draw a straight line on a curved surface, but I'm just using the square as a guide, and I'm using my grease pencil to mark a line. And so when I go to cut with my saw, I've got to make sure to cut nice and straight. So I'm doing a 6-inch rise with a 9-inch, approximately 9-inch tread. So that should work out pretty good. It'll overhang a little bit. I'm working my way down here. 6-inch riser, squaring that up. And then that comes out to right at 9 inches. Intuitively, this point should be matching up with the point up there. Should be right in the middle of the log. So this is a 10-inch log, and they want to have 5 inches of meat in there between. So yeah, that should work. Okay, well, I hope I can follow which marks I need to make. It's going to be this other further one right here, the longer ones. I went ahead and went 10.5 inch by 6.5 inch. That way when I ended up all the way down here, the length of my stringer needs to be 75 inches. So I'm about 1 inch short of what I need to be, but 1 inch short isn't going to make that much of a difference. So I'm going to go ahead and get the chainsaw fired up and give it a try. Yeah, Barrett, trying to work here. No time to play. Oops. Yeah, draw knife. This thing's awesome, guys. We got this at a local store. I'll leave a link in the bottom for, I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to buy one of these things. This thing is awesome. You got to peel the bark off because it's going to attract bugs if you don't. All right, it is time to assemble the stairs. So it looks like I need to adjust that angle a little bit so the bottom angle is good. Maybe I should do... Barrett, I'm trying to film, dude. Get out of here.
Leveler?
Well, they're not perfect, but for my first attempt at log stairs, I'm pretty happy. I did put the treads a little bit further to this side because I'm going to do a handrail right here. I'm going to attach it up there. And then I wanted to keep it a little closer this way. That way I still had room for a handrail, but I wanted to kind of close up that gap a little bit, so not too bad. Got a 6-inch drop with an 8-inch tread, but it's a 9-inch cross. Nice and even, all the same. Not too bad. What do you think, guys? Leave me a comment down there. All right, here on Hidden Valley Homestead, we're doing a lot of stuff to save money and using some logs and the existing treads from the old stairs. You can see where the old stairs were falling apart. I might just try and take down some of this handrail right here and reuse that. But yeah, look at that. The wood was all rotted out. This was all rotted, and there's a good chance that this would have broke while we were walking out this season. But yeah, so we got some new stairs. Got a nice little gravel walkway for Olivia so she doesn't get her feet muddy, and we're moving along. Guys, thanks for watching. If you guys like the content, subscribe, hit that notification, leave me a comment, let me know what what you like, what you don't like, and we'll see you guys in the next video.